In this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off desktop mode on YouTube on your iPhone or iPad. Okay, so there is two methods to do this. The first one I'm going to show you guys right now, and that is if you are on this website right here, and yeah, click on the top left corner on those two AAs, and basically you want to click on request mobile website. As you can see, it has now been changed, but if for some reason every single time you open up youtube.com on your browser and it keeps opening as the desktop mode, then there is a setting turned on wrong. So you want to go to your settings and scroll all the way down till you see Safari, and right here click on Safari, and there is a bunch of different settings, and you just want to scroll all the way down till you see request desktop website, and right here it says all websites. So every single time you open up YouTube, it will open up as a desktop website, and you just want to turn this off, and yeah, go back to your Safari and search for YouTube again. As you can see, it is the mobile version and not the desktop version. And if for some reason, I don't think this will happen, but if it happens to you and it still is opening in the desktop mode, you can go to the same settings again of Safari, but now you want to click on advanced and then click on website data. You want to click on edit and you want to remove YouTube from this list, and that is basically it. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.